Hello everyone. In this Explorer Fellowship, over the course of 42 days, we, the team Foodie Roomies, embarked on an unforgettable journey across India, with a theme as diverse as the nation itself, from the sweetest Bharat to the spiciest India. Our mission was to explore the culinary wonders of each region, but this adventure was more than just about food. It was about immersing ourselves in the culture, traditions, and the stories behind every dish we encountered. Our journey began in the bustling streets of Mumbai and culminated in the vibrant heart of Gujarat. In the first week, we explored Mumbai and Goa. In Mumbai, the city of dreams, we tasted the iconic vada pav by the gateway of India. Its spicy potato filling and soft bun captured the essence of Mumbai's fast-paced yet flavorful lifestyle. We also visited the famous Siddhivinayak temple and Dadar. From there, our journey took us to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa. Despite a delayed arrival, we savored the richness of bebinka with ice cream and the tangy delight of Goan fish curry, truly immersing ourselves in Goa's unique culinary traditions. Sharing stories with fellow travelers in tombs added a personal touch to our stay, blending the joy of discovery and the warmth of human connection. After the successful hustle in week 1, we had our plans ready for the upcoming weeks. In week 2 and 3, we visited Bangalore, Mysore, Bangalore and Chikmagalur. Bangalore introduced us to the savory delights of koli bhaji and chicken ghee rolls, with the rich flavors leaving a lasting impression on us. Mysore's royal heritage and its famous sweet Mysore Pak were on our agenda, though the experience was a mix of admiration and surprise because of its taste. Bangalore, with its diverse food scene, offered us the unforgettable Heroes Masala Dosa, while Chikmangalore's serene landscapes provided a brief yet memorable escape. Our brief stay in this hill station was a refreshing change, with a chance to savor raw and filtered coffee amidst the misty hills. It was time to see off the southern regions of India and start exploring the southeast and northeastern regions. From Chikmagalur, we came back to Bangalore. It was a 30 hours long and exhaustive journey from Bangalore to Puri. But it did not let us stop from visiting the famous Konark Sun Temple, where the architecture of the temple left us wondering all along. Our journey continued to the sacred city of Puri, where the divine Prasad at Sri Jagannath Dham left us spiritually and gastronomically fulfilled. From Puri, we travelled to Kolkata via Bhubaneswar. Kolkata, the city of joy, was a sweet lover's paradise indeed. We tasted 10 different types of famous sweets and namkeens here, like Misti Dahi, Sandesh, Malai Roll, etc. From the crispy shore bhaja to the delicate Kheer Kadam, every bite in Kolkata was a celebration of the city's rich cultural tapestry. The tales of Masoor Dal added a historical flavor to our culinary experiences, reminding us that every dish carries a story waiting to be told. After the warmth of the southern regions, we were ready to explore and experience the pleasant weather of northeastern India. Darjeeling welcomed us with the fog and rain, but also with the warmth of homemade dal bhat at a homestay in Lepcha Jagat, a small village amidst the fog. After living here in zero network connectivity, we went to the city side where we explored the city life at Darjeeling. From here, we traveled to Gangtok. Here in Gangtok, the relentless rains could not dampen our spirits as we explored the Tibetan flavors through veg thukpa and momos. The journey to Lachung and Zero Point pushed our limits, taking us to the edge of the world where the air was thin but the experience was rich with the beauty of nature. For all of us, Yumthang Valley would remain the best and most memorable destination. From Gangtok, we went to Assam. In Guwahati, the refreshing taste of Assamese tea and the tangy laksha provided a fitting start to the final leg of our journey. Then we started traveling back to the central and north India. Ayodhya offered us the sweet simplicity of Desi ghee besan laddu, a perfect complement to the spiritual atmosphere of Ramlala Mandir. Rishikesh, the yoga capital of India, introduced us to the legacy of the Beatles through unique vegetarian dishes at the Beatles Cafe. Nainital, with its serene lake and the sweet taste of bal mithai, was the perfect and penultimate stop before reaching Delhi. Here, the bustling streets and the vibrant flavors of chole bhature and strawberry lassi at the Mulchan Paratha shop were a fitting final to our culinary journey. This Explorer Fellowship was a celebration of India's culinary diversity, but beyond the flavors, it was the people we met, the stories we heard, and the places we explored that truly enriched our experiences. As we return, we carry with us not just memories of food but of a nation rich in culture, history, and the joy of sharing a meal. As our journey comes to a close, we, the Foodie Roomies, reflect on the incredible experiences We have shared as final year BTech students united by our love and exploration and culinary adventures. This journey, made possible by the support of IIT Gandhinagar through the Explorer Fellowship, has been more than just an adventure. It has been a transformative chapter in our lives. As we prepare to step into the next phase of our careers, we do so with a profound sense of gratitude. With this, the team Foodie Roomies sign off.